today we show you how the first lesson in wing foiling is looking like. First of all, we need to start pumping the wing. We need to pump it until 8 psi. You can check this here on the pump. Pump, 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 pump. More, more, more. So today the wind is coming from that direction, okay? And the leading edge always points into the wind. So we have a leash connected to our wing, and to prevent the wing from flying away, we just connect it to one of our wrists. After we connected the leash to our wrist, we lift the wing up and we flip it. All right, so this is the neutral handle for the wing. If I just hold it like this, it has no power. If I want to bring it in a more active position, the left hand, which will be my front hand, is grabbing the front handle, and the back handle, and I can bring the wing in a 45 position just in front of me. Let's imagine the board is underneath us. We are kneeling on the board. Okay, it's 90 degrees to the wind, and then we bring the wing in a nice position. We want to go to the left side, so the left hand is our front hand. Okay, and now we are entering the taxiing position, so the front foot first, 45-degree angle. We can go a little bit like this in the left direction. Okay, and then when we feel comfortable, we stand up, right foot, 90-degree angle, and like this we would. Our knees a little bit bent with the wing. How to power? I will pull the backhand in. Okay, so like this I have more power. Yeah, and you see I get more power. If you want to depower, just push it in. Okay, power, depower. So for the very first lesson, we will take a big board, like with a high volume and no foil, okay? We just have the fins, and we will learn how to hold the balance and maneuver this big board. So make sure that your wing is in front of you, hold it on the neutral handle with your back hand, and then you can already knee on the board, like this, okay? Then you grab with your front hand the front handle, with the back handle, hold the wing in a 45-degree angle in front of you, and you see the board is already moving. All right, when you have some speed, yeah, you can first place your front foot and then the back foot. And then hold the wing in front of you and try to maneuver. Okay, when you want to ride, how to maneuver the board. If you want to go more upwind, bring the wing more to the tail of the board and the board will turn upwind. If you want to go down, bring the wing towards the nose of the board and the board is moving downward. So the next thing we need to learn is how to do a jibe, how to do a tack on the big board without the foil, and then we are already ready for the board with the foil. So see you in the next episode.